Guys, Dr. Sinicropi here to discuss the Hypercharge Clinic and the wellness modalities we offer in a context that you might not be used to. Now, some of you may have tried many different diets, have really attempted to go to the gym, have attempted to exercise more, to sleep better, and to do all the things that we preach on a fairly constant basis. The problem is, in our very busy lives, which are moving at the speed of light, we are often under a lot of stress, and we just can't seem to get over the hump of losing that weight, improving our energy levels, sleeping better, having better relationships, having better mental health, being in a more positive mood, having a better attitude. And some of that is due to the fact that as we age or as we burn ourselves out, even for the younger crowd, we start to deplete our cellular energy, and our mitochondrial function is significantly affected. And that's where the biohacks at Hypercharge come into place. Now, doing modalities such as photobiomodulation, people know it as red light therapy, but there's many colors of the spectrum that are used, especially green in addition to red, but it's really the near infrared that penetrates the deepest. Those modalities can really stimulate improvement in mitochondrial function. That combined with oxygen therapies, structured water therapy, pulsed electromagnetic frequency therapy, as well as laser therapies, which can be tremendous to decrease pain and inflammation, can all hyperstimulate cellular reinvigoration and improvement in energy levels, improvement in focus, improvement in sleep patterns, and overall improvement in so many different chronic health conditions. And so if you're one of these folks that just feels like they can't get over the hump, or you just need something more, or are constantly trying things and just don't feel like it's working, then considering some of these biohacks is something that I would urge you to at least do some research on it, and then consider coming in and trying it, as it's all offered initially for no charge, just to be able to try out some of the modalities, to understand the power of them, learn about how the process works, and then make a decision as to whether these biohacks might be instrumental in improving your energy levels and all those other things that we discussed. So in summary, we're super excited to be able to offer these biohacks for folks looking for increased energy levels, better performance, better sleep, better mental acuity. They're also tremendous for longevity and overall well-being. And we encourage you to at least have an open mind, come in and try these things out. And based on how you do with the trial, you can make a decision if these modalities are right for you and how they might fit into your own lifestyle. Until next time, Dr. Sinicropi here, and I look forward to seeing you down at the Hypercharge Clinic.